Imagine a world where all languages, art, and historical records fade into oblivion. How much would we lose as a species? Our cultural heritage is a deeply woven tapestry of human experience. It's the living testament of our shared past, a vibrant celebration of our present, and a guiding beacon for our future. It's in the languages we speak, the art we create, and the records we keep. Preserving this heritage is not just about safeguarding relics of the past. It's about maintaining our collective identity, nurturing our knowledge, and honoring our history. But as we move forward, we're faced with the challenge of preserving this rich heritage in an ever-changing world. Languages are disappearing, artworks are deteriorating, and historical records are at risk of being lost forever. This brings us to an intriguing question. With the rapid advancement of technology, could artificial intelligence be the key to preserving our cultural heritage? Could AI help us keep the threads of our shared story intact and ensure they're passed on to future generations? In recent years, artificial intelligence has made significant strides in language translation. The power of AI is harnessed to translate and preserve endangered languages, acting as a digital guardian of our rich linguistic heritage. From the dense rainforests of the Amazon to the icy landscapes of Siberia, AI has been instrumental in safeguarding languages teetering on the brink of extinction. Take the case of the Yuchi language, for instance. With less than 12 fluent speakers left, it was a language in peril. But thanks to AI, it's now preserved in digital form, accessible to future generations. Similarly, the Ainu language of Japan, once considered moribund, is now experiencing a revival, all thanks to AI-driven translation and preservation efforts. These are not isolated instances. Across the globe, AI is playing an integral role in ensuring that languages and the cultural heritage they embody endure. Through AI, we are ensuring that no language and thus no cultural heritage fades into oblivion. Art is an integral part